So the installation is good. Let's go try to start a new project. Let's go to File, New Project. See how fast it is at getting us started in a new project. You can do local projects, do it to your develop workspace, version controlled, or just local PCB project, version control. I'm gonna do mine in the cloud with specialized constraint management and parameters. And then actually no specialized constraint management. We'll do a default PCB as well. In creating this project, it will automatically add my schematic sheet, build PCB, and all that stuff, and I could save that to server. It even automatically scheduled for addition. Look at that. That's crazy. What do you mean scheduled for addition? Sure. Okay. It's already got my ActiveBOM in there. Fantastic. All right. Thanks so much for watching. That's how you get your installation started and ready to rock and roll in Altium Designer Develop. Follow for more, like and subscribe to this video and this channel. And share this as well for people who want to get onboarded with the best user experience in PCB and hardware design, hands down. I mean, that's no debate. That's always been the case with Altium. That's just always been the case. And so there's no question there. And what else they're doing is they are raising the standard for what a good hardware design experience is supposed to have been 7 years ago by now. All right, like finally. I'm going to show you exactly how that's doing in the future videos. Peace.